What we'll be doing next, now that we understand what a section is, what a floor plan is, we'll be creating a drawing out of everything, or representation of each of these parts. So let me take this thing and undo everything. Let's go to the top view. Where's my C-plane? There it is. Okay. So let's all start off with the floor plan. Recall how to get that. So go to the clipping plane, select somewhere. I would even venture to say go right to the edge of your model. Bring this up 7 feet, because we already established that it's 3-foot plinth and then the 4-foot height, so 7 foot, and that would be my floor plan height. The floor plan actually works only in the top view because we're looking down, straight down at the object, right? So select the top view, select the clipping plane, and activate that view. So this is what we have as the drawing. Once you get on the top view, because again, we are making a floor plan, a new command called MAKE2D. MAKE2D. And I should be on this command prompt to do that. MAKE2D. Enter. And it says select object to draw. Bless you. If I select everything here, it should highlight everything. When I hit enter, it's going to bring up a dialog display box. From this, we're taking the top view for the floor plan. That's the top view, that's the top view. We're doing a projection view. This is the view of the thing, so we're going to take the view of this thing. Options from input objects, we'll leave it at that. Hidden line, for now let's unclick this hidden line. Group output, that's your choice. I prefer not to, but if you have it, the output would be kind of in a group. You'll have to explode it later if you have to. So let's just keep this as a group for now. And the layer name, it's gonna make a layer called MAKE2D. We could leave it in there and then move it out when we need to. So after that's done, say OK. It's thinking a little bit. So if you zoom out, you should have that view as such. Okay, so that's my wall, that's my stairs, that's my floor and all that. So there it is. When you have this object, kind of go ahead and move it outside where it was, or just move it out somewhere. So it is a common error, and I do it all the time here, is that I would highlight something while in the perspective view. So if I say MAKE2D, MAKE2D, highlight everything here, what I should be doing is activating the top view. That means the top view is going to be activated because when I say enter, remember, right here it says view. If I toggled onto the top view, it would have probably got my top view. But since I was in the perspective, working in the perspective view, it's going to try to capture this thing. Now, it says projection view. This is my view. And then if I just say OK, it's going to catch that view. Sometimes we want that because we're going to want perspective views and stuff. But for floor plan, which we define as a view looking straight down, we need to be in the top view like so and not this thing. Okay, this is a legitimate drawing, and we express certain ideas because that's a little bit more three-dimensionally understandable, right? But for a pure floor plan drawing, we want this bit right here. Okay, so when it comes out at us, weird angle, that's probably it. Sometimes we do this. So we're looking at this thing like so, and we zoom in like so. Is this a top view? Technically, it is a top view, but it is a top view perspective because you see part of the walls, parts of it is hiding. So if I take a view of that, and do that. Oh, let me make it worse by just doing something like this. Okay, so actually no, because this is the common error that's usually made where you're in the perspective view, you think you're looking from the top view. So not plot. 2D, select the object, enter, okay. And that kind of looks like that, but the difference is size and size, because now this is not a pure drawing, it's just taking a view of everything. So this is scalable, this is not now. And you can see the bottom of the floor, it doesn't line up with the cut part of the roof, so we can see the difference, yes? Okay, so when we're doing a floor plan view, please make sure that you're in the top view while you are making 2D.